Hey everyone, it's Danielle and welcome back to Rosetta Vera. Today I'm doing a really quick haul. I picked up this little set from Kuma Stationery. You may have heard me mention that I love cherry blossoms and it's that time of year. So I picked up this little set of cherry blossom themed items. I'll put the price in here. And I'm just gonna look at it really quickly with you. There are a couple of items in this set. You may remember, if you followed me for a while, that Sticky Club did a Hanami set a couple of years back, and I picked that up and opened it on the channel, and that was very cherry blossom themed. So this is kind of looking familiar to that. I wasn't sure what to expect, but I just kind of picked it up. It was on sale. So the set comes with 4 pens, and there's 2 clear barrels, 2 pink barrels, and they have these little cherry blossom charms on them. They're a basic ballpoint pen, nothing really special. Let's see, can I open that easily? Or do they? They kind of screw unloose. So these are just basic gel, I think these might be gel pens. Very basic, nothing super fancy. They screw closed. So you get 4 of those. Okay, why are you not closing? Okay, there we go. And then we get these 3 cherry blossom bookmarks. This one has slid down in the box. Well, paper clips, I should say, but they're bookmarks as well. So you have your little enamel flower on there. This paper clip actually has a little lift there. So you have white, you have pink, you have black. So here's the pink one. And then you have black. So you can use these as bookmarks. You can use them to hold papers. You can put them in your journal as placeholders. So those are the 3 bookmarks you get in the kit. Then you get a box of different masking tapes. So there are, let's see, 10 rolls of masking tape in this box. So you have them in different sizes there, but they're all matching that theme. And these are from Mr. Paper. You have some cherry blossom stickers here. And these are similar to stickers I've purchased from AliExpress. I might even have this pack, if I'm being really honest. Because I usually do some type of cherry blossom haul from AliExpress at different points during the year. So you have your different flowers there. You get like 3 of each kind. So very simple flowers. These can be used in journaling or artwork. And then we have, I think these are washi stickers. Yes, these are washi stickers. There's 6 sheets in the pack. So let's see what we have here, if they're repeats. So let's move this to the side. I like these because I can actually see where I peel them off. Sometimes it's hard to tell where you peel off the washi stickers, but I can actually see it on these. Then we finish out with some border stickers there. And then finally, we have a little journal book here. So it just says Pink Cherry Blossom Flowery Journal. It's simple, colorful, and unique. So let me get a scissor and we'll just pop this open really quickly. I know I was thinking that the journal was larger. And that's the fault of my eyes. Not the fault of Kuma, because I just looked at the picture and didn't look at the dimensions to see how big the journal actually was. So when it came in the mail, I was a little surprised at how small the package was, because I was expecting a larger journal. But this is a more pocket size. You can stick it in a purse. Well, maybe not pocket size, more like purse size. You can stick it in your purse and carry it with you. So of course you have your title page. You have some dates in here. So you have your yearly plan. You have your weeks. So this is actually a planner. Did I know it was a planner? Now I'm wondering if I knew it was a planner. I'm thinking I didn't. I think I just saw cherry blossoms and push, you know, submit. So you have your weeks in there with your to-do list. You have some pages at the back that are just for straight journaling. Let me get to those pages. I keep doing everything but. So you have some straight pages there. So this isn't dated like any particular year, so you could hold off and start using this in January, actually, yeah, of the next year, or you could just say I'm gonna go from April to December in here and just write some simple notes, because it isn't dated throughout, so you could start whenever you want it to. It's actually ripped. That sucks. So I don't know if I did that or it came like that, but I've had it sitting in my room for about 2 weeks, so I guess it's my journal now. I could glue these pages back if I really want to. I think I have to think about, am I going to use this as a planner book, or do I want to make this, do I want to cover the pages and just make it a little art journal, which is also possible. I could do that. And then I would just probably glue that page down so that you don't see the rip. That's one way to salvage it, which might be what I wound up doing. There is a little bookmark ribbon in there. Nothing special. It's not a very weighty planner. It does have that kind of fabric feel to the cover. For the price of what I paid for the kit, I mean, it's AliExpress quality. It's probably about what I would have paid buying the items separately to kind of get this little kit together. Maybe a little bit more than I would have. Overall, I do like the theme of everything. I'm thinking I am probably going to refashion this as an art journal versus using it as a planner. I'm not really a planner journal person. What this could be good for is journaling on the go because of the size. I could think about how I want to cover the pages and maybe use it for just kind of keeping track of things on the go, because the size is a nice size. That is everything in this Kuma stationery kit. I'm a little disappointed that that was ripped, but like I said, I don't know if I did that as I was opening the book or was it just like that. It was my first time ordering from Kuma. I'll say that the shipping took a little bit longer than I expected. Well, actually, that's not true. My issue with the shipping was I got a notice that said my item was shipped, but then there was no movement on my item at all. And then almost 2 weeks had gone by, and I reached out to them and they were like, oh, it's actually going to be delivered today. But that was not what the update said. So I don't know what happened there, because I was just kind of like, I haven't heard anything since I got a shipping notification and I'm still waiting. So I don't know if that's on the shipper or if that's on Kuma, but that was kind of like my complaint about the shipping. Other than that, I do think it's a cute little kit that kind of hits my cherry blossom desires. I would probably give it the same critique I gave Sticky Clubs, is that some of the items do feel a little cheap. I think I thought Sticky Clubs pen was cheap as well, and these pens feel a little on the cheap side. I think I would have rather have one really nice pen versus 4 so-so pens. But I would say the thing that I like the most out of this kit is probably these bookmarks. I do think the quality of these is really, really nice. And I see myself using these in different ways. So that is it for this little tiny haul from Kuma Stationery. As always, thank you for spending time with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.